Today I'm going to explain how to create a custom Google map with multiple markers. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create and style your own maps and embed them on any website. Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, doesn't matter. Let's do it. So you can't actually create a map with multiple markers with just regular old Google Maps. Instead, you'd have to use something called Google My Maps, which I find to be difficult to use, and I also think it doesn't look great embedded on a website. So instead of Google My Maps, we're going to use Atlist. Atlist is a tool that I co-created with my friend Karl to make it easier to create and embed beautiful maps. So to start, you can register at Atlist for a free account. Then let's create a new map, and for our purposes, we'll make it a map of burger and pizza spots. Then let's add markers by searching their addresses. And if we'd like, we can also organize our markers into groups. Now, one side note, if you have a lot of markers, it can get tedious to add each by searching. So instead, you may want to upload a CSV. CSVs are plain text spreadsheets. You can export CSVs from Google Docs, Apple Numbers, Microsoft Excel, and many other places. It's like a universal format. To upload a CSV in Atlist, just click the bulk editor and then import from CSV. Next up, we're going to make some customizations to the map. Each of these are totally optional, but they can be nice to have. Each marker in your map has a modal window, basically a pop-up window displaying more information. Let's add some photos and a few notes to Pizzeria Libretto's modal window. Next up, let's change the marker styles. I want them to be bigger and to have an icon. Now you can also give individual markers their own specific marker style. So let's give Pizzeria Libretto an individual style. On top of this, you can also customize the style of modal windows. And finally, let's change the map style. There we go. Now the map has some personality. Now with Atlist, there are two ways to share your map. You can link to your map directly, or you can embed it. To embed the map, you'll need to copy and paste the embed code directly into your website's code. Now it's important to understand you can't paste this embed code into the text of your website. That won't work. Instead, you have to paste it into the code. So if you're using a website builder, for example, this is Squarespace, you'll need to find the code content block and paste it there. Another note about the embed code, you can always change the width and height to suit your website. Okay, there you go. I hope that helped. If you want to try Atlist, you can find a link to it in the video description, and it's free to use for up to 10 markers. My co-founder Karl and I are always working on new features, so if you have any feedback or any suggestions, let us know. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.